So you're ready to construct a building. You've got your chosen building type, you have a site, you received permits, and are ready to construct. You now need help building your project. Often, this is a general contractor. This general contractor's role is to organize the delivery and installation of all labor and materials and equipment at the site. They also coordinate activity to avoid bottlenecks and ensure everything is done smoothly and on time. The general contractor is responsible for securing the site with construction fencing and oversees safety measures. You will need to sign a contract. This is the largest and most important contract on the project. In Ontario, we use CCDC Contracts. It stands for Canadian Construction Documents Committee and is a standard form of contract recommended for use in large construction jobs. This document clearly defines roles and responsibilities between the owner, contractor, and architect. It deals with design changes and extra costs. It also sets out procedures and timelines to settle disputes. There are different ways to structure contracts. Let's go over each one. Number 1. Lump sum. The scope and price is defined and fixed at start. Pro, it gives cost certainty to owner. Con, changes in scope after commencement of construction tend to be expensive. Number 2. Unit price. Gives unit cost for quantities of materials used. Pro, has advantage of speedy implementation and clarity on what's going to happen. The con, there is less price certainty. This works better when tasks can be clearly defined. Number 3. Cost plus. The contractor adds margin of profit to the costs. Pro, less risk for contractor. Con, no price certainty for owner. Number 4. Time and materials. The owner pays for contractor's time and material costs with a pre-agreed markup. Pro, lowers risk for contractor. Con, if the contractor is inefficient at his job, this can increase price for the owner. And finally, number 5. Management contract. This is an alternate method. The contractor provides supervisory personnel and advice to the owner. The owner runs the bidding process. The owner directly signs contracts with the sub-trades. Pro, there's flexibility to make changes quickly with less cost than in a lump sum contract. Con, the owner has no price certainty. If you are experienced and have a good relationship with a contractor, you might choose to negotiate a contract directly with this individual instead of putting the project out for competitive bids. Tip: experienced builders may use a hybrid. Start with a management contract and bid the sub-trades directly to preserve flexibility for late changes. After construction starts, convert all the sub-trades to a lump sum contract to reduce risks in price and time.